one immediately after that.
All right, but I need my wire sent before close today. So what am I to do? I can't just keep calling you. I know you're busy. I know the phone keeps ringing. So what am I to do in my position? All you gotta do is send a wire.
Yes, sir, but we don't have anybody that is capable of doing it right now.
Because Karen always goes on vacation. Good for her. But there's other attorneys there, right?
Yes, but they're closing. He can't step out of it to send a wire.
I'm not even asking him to do that. All I'm asking for is for a time frame of when it can be done. Because you guys close in an hour and a half. And you're going to tell me in an hour and a half that you're closing, you can't do it. Then I have to show up there Monday, be an angry black man, and I don't want to do that. All I want is my money.
Yes, sir, and I do completely understand that. However, we are not capable of even giving a time frame right now.
No problem.
We have these two closings going on.
That's perfectly fine, and I don't want to interrupt that. I'll call back in 20 minutes.